So the first question we'll be looking at today, still under circles. I'm gonna bring it there. Question one. So I'm gonna give you just like 2 minutes to come up with an answer to this. Okay. So the question says the chord subtends an angle at the center 72 degrees at the center. Then the radius is 24.5 meters. We are to calculate the perimeter of the minor segment. Now, to find the perimeter of a segment, you firstly need to know what represents the segment. Okay, if I'm going to subtend, a chord to subtend an angle, I have to introduce the chord. Maybe this is the chord here or something. Let me try that again. So if this is the chord that subtends the angle at the center, then I need the radius that's going to carry the angle, like from here to this point and meeting at the center. So the 72 degrees is going to be at this center, 72 degrees. Okay, so this becomes our chord. This line AB is the chord. And the other portion, which is arc AB, that is the arc that contains the segment. So the segment is going to be this blue region. Exactly.
Yeah.
So if we are looking for the perimeter of that segment, then this is what we're looking for. This place. We're looking for the perimeter of this shape, okay? And how do we find the perimeter of any
Yes, sir.
given shape? That is the addition of everything around the shape. So this is a chord. So we need the length of the chord first. Then we need the length of the arc. So perimeter of this segment, perimeter will be length of chord plus length of arc. So now it now depends on how do I get the length of chord? How do I know the length of arc? Of course, length of arc has a formula there, which is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. You know this, right? As the length of arc. So
Yes.
Yes,
for
sir.
the length of the chord, well, there's also a formula for length of chord. But let's assume you don't even remember whatever the formula is. What you just need to do is to divide this into two equal halves so that you find half of the chord. Okay? So when you find half of the chord, then you can get the full length of the chord. So when you divide it, you have one portion of the triangle. Can you see this? Can you see this shape? So
Yes, sir.
this angle becomes 36 degrees instead of 72. This become half of the this is x, the first part is x, the second part is x. So length of chord will be 2x because that's x plus x. But let's find x first. So to find x, we use opposite and hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
Yes, sine 36 equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Sorry, the hypotenuse is 24.5. That's the radius. Okay, 24.5. That's the radius meters. Is the angle inside that I label as 36. So this will be 24.5. So x equals to 24.5 times sine 36. Then length of chord 2x will be twice of this value. So 2 times 24.5 times sine 36. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Sine 36. So what I need to do now is to find sine 36 on a calculator, then I multiply by all these numbers. So try to find sine 36. What is sine 36? That should be 0.5877 or 5878. So 0.5878. 2 times 24.5 times 0.5878. Multiply this and tell me what you have.
28.763.
Okay. Hold on. 5, 2. What do you call it?
So it's
This is 28.8. Hmm? Did you get 28.8? Like 2
yes, sir.
times. Okay, fine, fine. So now let me see what next. So we've gotten the length of chord. Just plug it in here, okay? Then the answer we're looking for will be 28.8 plus theta over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 24.5. So this becomes the mathematical expression we want to deal with. So answer will be what? 28.8 plus 72, 172, that's 5, right? 1 over 5 times 44 times 22.4 over 7. So let me multiply and divide by 35. So 28.8. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I have 44 times 22.4, and that gives me 985.6. So divided by 35. That is 28.16. So 28.16. So I had this with 28.8. 28.8. So that's going to be 56.96. So what's the unit? Is it going to be square or something?
No square.
Hmm?
No square.
No square because it's length we're looking for. So meters. Is this clear to you?
Sir, you made a mistake.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, what's the mistake then?
It's meant to be 44 times 24.5.
Okay, I put 22, right? Let me see. Let me check it again and see. So that is 2 times 22, right? Which is 44, right? Then times 24.5. Okay, so that gives 1078. Now divided by 35. Let's see. 35. That'll be 30.8 instead of that. Okay, so let me add 30.8 to this.
It's not that full.
30.8. But do you understand the method? That's what I'm saying. Do you understand the method? 8.5 plus 28.8. Do you understand the explanation? 59.6. I can't hear you. Do you understand the explanation? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I said, did you understand the explanation?
Yes, I
Oh,
do.
okay. Messi, explain it to me.
We're looking for perimeter of the minor segments. And from the diagram here, we're giving the angle, the angle, the radius, and yeah, and pi. So from the formula, which is this, using the L plus 2 plus theta over 360 times 2 pi r. And then you get your everything.
So how did I get length of chord?
There's no formula for length of code.
There's formula. How did I get it? Just explain how I got mine. You see, if you need formula for, listen, if you need formula for length of chord, this is what you're going to do. You're going to have that right angle triangle. Then you have this to be like maybe like x, then this is radius and this is half of theta, okay? So you just say sine theta over 2 equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So x is going to be r sine theta over 2. So length that you're looking for is twice of x. So the formula for length of chord is 2r sine theta over 2. Then we can say formula for perimeter is 2r sine theta over 2 plus length of arc, which is theta over 360 times 2 times pi r, or 2 pi r. So this is the real formula for perimeter of a segment, okay?
Yes, sir.
So I just said, let us assume you don't even remember what this formula is. That's why I decided to use that method to solve it. Okay, I'm going to bring another question for you guys to try a little bit. Then we'll see how it goes. Let's see this one. Okay. Can you see this question too now? Can you see the question too?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so try it within 60 seconds and tell me your answer.
Okay.
Let me bring the stopwatch. Okay. Okay. I'm going to share the clock with you now. 60 seconds counting.
What's your business? You sit down. This thing. Wait, I want to go.
Good.
Give me a wait time.
Yeah, your time is over. I said 60 seconds, right? So whenever you see anything like this that asks you to find this kind
That's
of,
like 53.
yeah, that should be 53. This is an isosceles triangle. Then this has to be equal. Then you just have 74 plus x equal to 180 degrees. Then you have 2x equals to 180 degrees minus 74 degrees. What is 180 minus 74?
minus
That's
6. 106.
106. Then x equals to
bye bye.
106, 2, and that is 53. Okay, let me bring the next question for you to try quickly. Okay, that one will be in 120 seconds. Right, I'm going to try this one. So try this one in 2 minutes.
Area of the sector for
Mm-hmm.
252. Wait, well, we cancel the answer this one. Miss Canada. Wait, someone can pick the I didn't rush.
You have a few seconds left.
5.2.
Okay, you got 5.2. Okay,
Something about
let's. You got what? Somebody got 5.2.
sector.
Another
Yes,
person.
I got 5.2.
Another person got what?
What 2520?
2.5.
And I got 7,
2520.
2.0. Then another person
7.6.
7.6.
57.6.
Okay, 57 point. Let's look at it together and see. The only thing you need to know here is the formula you have to use. Area of sector theta over 360 times area of a circle r squared. So theta is 50
Yes.
over 360 times 22 over 7 times 6 times 6. So we just multiply all of this and divide. So we have 50
520.
times 22 times 36.
I know
That is 39,600.
Yes.
So 39,600, that's 50,
Divided
22, and 36. So now 360 times 7, that
by
gives 2520.
50.
So then we have
actually,
39,600
you
divided by 2520.
520.
That gives 15.7.
15.7.
Hold on, hold on. Let me check it again.
It's not working.
Let me check it again. Okay, so we have 50
No.
times 22 times 6 times 6. That gives 39. 600.
Just what
So
you're calculating.
divided by 2520, that is 15.7.
No, it's not good.
15.7 cm square, okay?
Sorry.
Is that clear?
Down.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this one, I'm going to give you some time to look at this next question.
Please, who do you guys? Who's the play?
Check this next one.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna give you 3 minutes for this one. So let's see. The timer. The time starts now. So your time starts now. Let's see.
No ready question.
So, because I only touch, I'm ready for it.
Think I've just to say my new was not perfect.
No, concern
Yeah.
can I music calculator? I don't understand.
Hello. No noise.
I've got bullying the boy. Who is bullying this one? Sir,
What did you say?
over 3. 5 over
2 pi r over 3, right? Or what did you call it?
plus R. To teacher.
Hold on. Hold on, one by one. So who is giving me answer?
Let's see. 2 pi over 3.
2 pi over what?
Over 3.
Okay.
Divided by 3. 2 pi divided by. It's true. 2 pi over 3.
Okay, that's from Sarah too. Okay. All right.
Yes. What is the 5 pi over 5?
So any contrary answer?
Yes,
What is
I'm
5
correct. 2
pi
pi
over
over
5?
3. It's 2 pi over 3.
2
Rubbish.
pi over
I
3.
stop it now. If you do 2 pi over 3, you're going to get 2.095. Rubbish.
Okay. All right. So let's just look at it and see this 2 pi over 3. An arc of a circle of radius d subtends an angle d. Find the area of the sector. Still on area of sector, right?
Yes,
So that is theta over 360 times pi r square. Then theta is 60, 360 times pi times 2 square. And this is going to be 1 over 6. Then we have 4 pi over 6, and that'll be 2 pi. So that's correct, okay? Let's look at another one. Let's look at this one that you try to, let's see, this next question. So here now, you have another 3 minutes to look at this.
Hey, wow. Some people they too do. It's only your hand.
231, sir.
231
Centimeter square.
centimeters
Fifty-seven point
square.
seven five.
57.75.
75.
Hold on. Okay. So somebody got 57 point what?
75.
That is centimeter square. Moses, you got
Sorry,
what?
sir.
231.
231 cm square. Any other answer? You still have 1 minute left, so let's see.
Press.
What do you get? 57.75. Did you have clear, clear now? Clear now.
Press 2.3.
1, 7, 2. Sir, 57.75.
Okay. Hold on. So we're going to look at it together now.
Is it a Nigerian code? Share to all Nigerians. How did they talk to you? Trying to call them back.
All right, let's look at it together. Let's see. It's the angle of a sector of a circle diameter. This is this. Find the area of sector. So still on the area of sector, we have A equal to theta over 360 times
And
two times
perhaps
pi r square, no two this time around. So pi is 22 over 7, then times 14 times 14. So here we can say,
sir, diameter is 14 divided by 2. Divided by 2.
oh, so before we get it, I was using it as radius. So 7 times 7, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So 7 can cancel 7. Then 135. Okay, let's just use a calculator to divide this. I will say 135 times 22, then times 7. That gives me 2790. 2790 divided by 360. Divided by 360. We have 57.75. 0.75 cm squared. So that is the correct answer there. Okay, now let's look at the next one. See, this next one I'm going to give you maybe like 5 minutes. Oh no, 3 minutes. Okay, okay, okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. So 3 minutes. Your time starts now.
That's 45. 45 50.
Hopefully you have the line.
I'll go on a straight line.
That way is straight line, John.
Is what?
That there is. That one is straight line. Just complete. Stay there.
It's
So you have
okay.
the
Yeah, solid.
so that's what I mean.
Maybe I had to write the question first now.
Even the problem, this one,
Me too.
This question,
50 or 55.
wow.
wait, just calm down and listen, okay? Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the diagram, KS is a tangent to the circle and at center O, and R. Okay. Okay, center O at R. Fine. Then angle ROQ is 80 degrees. Find angle QRS. If we are looking for QRS, we are simply looking for this place, QRS. And we've been given the other one. Of course, we know that the triangle ORQ is an isosceles triangle. Okay? So if this is 80, this is going to be 50, and this is going to be 50 to make 100 because the base angle must be equal. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So 50 degrees. Then, since we know tangent makes 90 degree at R, the totality of R is 90. So if this place is what's it called, 50 degrees, then the outside that we're looking for must be 40 degrees. So angle QRS equal to 90 minus angle ORQ, which is 90 minus 50, which is 40 degrees. Is that clear? Is that clear? Is that Sarah? Can you hear me? Moses, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. So let's look at the next question. This next question, I'm going to give you 4 minutes, okay? I'll give you 4 minutes for this one. So your time starts now. You can see I put option in this one, right? So your time starts now.
Hope is built on nothing less than Jesus' blood and righteousness. I dare not trust the sweetest frame, but only lean on Jesus' name. On Christ the
After
solid
5.
What
rock I
do you
stand,
say?
all other ground
So after the
is
answer
sinking
is
sand.
Wait, don't tell me somebody's answer. Okay?
All the
Exactly.
Just hold
ground
on.
is sinking sand when darkness veils his lovely face. I rest on his unchanging grace in every high and stormy gale. My anchor holds within the veil on
Right.
Christ the solid rock
The
I
saying it is a
stand.
15 hour, like, I feel like,
My hope is
see that
built on
thing. I
nothing
see.
less than
Yes, I saw
Jesus'
them.
blood
Oh,
and
with all these things,
righteousness.
I can't.
I dare not trust the sweetest frame,
When
but
circular paper, this is
only
strong.
lean on
Yes,
Jesus' name.
shaking.
On Christ the solid rock I stand. On the ground is
You still have
sinking
about two
sand.
minutes left.
For the ground is
Yes, sir.
sinking sand
Like,
when darkness veils his lovely face and
Okay,
responds
so
to unchanging ways.
Sir, actually the answer is a mix of two.
There, Moses, there.
most what is it?
Papa already got an answer.
Moses, you are not sure whether the answer is in the option, right?
Christ the soul,
Not a different answer.
Christ
Okay,
Just for
I got A.
4 ratio 15 is not what it was.
just keep trying. You still have about 1 minute plus.
inside is
So the answer is C.
In simple place, this is
8
still
multiplied.
divide
blood.
You don't multiply by 4. So you know how you do it.
Mm.
Press A.
So
Just wait, okay?
is all my
Salam.
stand on Christ the soul. Rock I stand
Exactly.
all for the ground is
Yes.
sinking sand.
You know you have 4 minutes for it, so just calm down, okay?
Sinking sand on Christ I stand all the ground is sinking sand. For the
So
ground
the answer is
shut
A.
up there.
Hold
8
on.
ratio 1 to 5.
No problem. Just hold on, okay?
Ah, the answer is B. The answer is B, sir.
And it's the same ratio.
Calm
The answer
down.
is B.
Somebody said A, somebody
The answer is
said B, somebody said C. Don't worry, we are going to.
The answer is B.
Just calm down, okay?
rock and stand all
That's my
for
face.
the ground. Sinking sand, sinking sand, sinking
We're going to
sand.
look at this shortly. Your 4 minutes is almost over. So,
Icho.
so let's.
Sir,
All
Icho.
right. Are you listening to me now?
That's the ratio 5.
Who picked A? Who picked A?
Sarah.
Then who picked
Moses.
B?
No,
B.
B is
Moses.
two.
C.
B.
Side.
B is Moses,
Not
Abby.
Messi.
C is what? Messi.
Yes. Taye.
Maybe
Messi
D. Maybe
none.
maybe D is
C
Taye,
is
right?
Taye.
C is Taye.
No, C is Taye.
Okay.
Messi none.
Okay, Messi, no option, right? All right. Let's look at it together, okay? Please calm down. You know the area of a circle is what?
Is C.
You said?
I was copying your Tilma. You don't
A-
know what I was saying.
area of a circle is what?
Pi r
Super.
square.
Good.
Sure, it's 2 pi r.
Wait,
Ah,
just calm down. So if area of a circle is pi r square, and he said if the circular paper this is trimmed such the circumference is reduced. Okay, here,
7.
listen,
22 over 7.
hold on. It says circumference is reduced in the ratio 2 to 5. So circumference is 2 pi r, okay? Is that clear? Good.
circumference.
Now, if we
Yes,
are
sir.
comparing circumference 1 to circumference 2, which is the
Precision, precision.
original to the
Precision.
reduced one, please listen. Original circumference,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
then reduced circumference. So if we say 2
I reduce circumference.
pi r original over 2 pi r reduced, okay? That is to get the ratio. The ratio is going to be what? 5 ratio 2, because the original is the bigger one, while the reduced one is the 2. Or I could switch it over so that you don't get it confused and put the reduced at the top while the original be at the bottom.
This is the original, yeah, correct.
So let's put it that way. Let's put it that way. So circumference, reduced circumference, like 2 pi r reduced over 2 pi r original will be 2 ratio 5. Here now,
Two
we
ratio.
have 2 pi cancel 2 pi. So we have r reduced over r. Let me just put it as r since it's original. Will be 2 ratio 5. Let us now find r reduced. So r reduced will be, you know, 2 of the r original divided by 5. And if you get this will be 0.4 r. Okay? Okay? Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
4/10.
Hold on. Yeah, 0.4 r. Now, once you've gotten 0.4 r, we'll now have the original area, because we're looking for the ratio of the area now, right? You understand? So the original area is pi r squared. Then the reduced area will be pi of this 0.4 r all squared. Okay? Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes.
That is ratio of the area. So
sir.
here now, pi cancel pi. Then we have 0.16 r squared over r squared. So this would be 0.16 over 1, which is 16 over 100, which is 4 over 25. So the ratio is 4 ratio 25.
Jesus, after the message now, they not get anything. Wow, wow, wow,
Like
wow,
people are tempted.
Like,
It's hello, Mercy. It is always good to make attempt, okay?
wow.
So they made their attempt. But do you understand this?
Yes, so
yes,
I
sir.
Yes.
understood it, I
So
understood
I'm
it.
going to send the notes over. I'm going to send the video over too. So that is where we'll be adding English to our studies. That will be on Friday, okay?
English.
Yes, English studies.
Eh?
Some students
On
think
Friday.
Friday 7 to 8 in the morning.
Eh? So we don't have it on Friday. Oh.
Wait a minute. I said we'll be adding English. So that means we'll be meeting
Yeah.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay?
See this Friday.
Yeah, this Friday.
Next
This
Friday.
coming Friday.
So
Sarah,
is it
Sarah,
when you are
Sarah, what happened?
Because they
Do
already
you have an
they want
appointment
it.
somewhere?
Oh, me, I'm sick. Oh, no, I
You are
see
not
this guy.
sick,
No.
Sir,
Mercy.
it's not that bad. That why she don't do class.
What?
Like,
You like to negotiate the talk first. Probably.
Negotiate with him.
Don't
Don't need
worry
our
yourself,
opinion.
okay? Don't worry. It's just for
let's
a
start next
Yeah,
Friday.
so we're speaking English. So you're speaking English, so we know English right now. Speaking English.
Eh. Don't worry. When we get there, you will know what we're talking about, okay? What if I ask you to explain the meaning of lexis and structure? What will you tell me?
The dictionary now.
You say what?
Dictionary.
Tai, what did you say?
So Thai said we dictionary.
Eh. Okay, oh, you can't take dictionary to the exam hall, okay? All right. So that's what we're rounding up
Yeah.
for today. I'm going to get the notes across.